Namaskar. In today's video, let's focus on success and excellence. Most of the time, people run behind success, thinking that if they run behind success, they will achieve success. But is it so? According to me, if you run behind success, you will not be able to achieve success, because success is the result that you get out of doing something. Now, success is achieved by riding on this vehicle called excellence. And how does one achieve excellence? One can achieve excellence by asking oneself this one question: how? Whatever job you are doing, ask yourself, how can I better this? How can I make this little more better? How can I increase the efficiency of the way I work on this particular job? How? Keep on asking how. How can I better? You have to get into that innovative mindset. Every day you're doing the same thing, ask how can I better it? The more you ask this question and the more you practice that, you might not be successful every time you ask how. Some of the answer that you get, if you try it, you might fail. But then you learn something and then again you move ahead. You should not stop asking this question, how can I better? And the next thing that you can do is every day treat the day as if that is the first day of your job. So when we are at our office and that's our first day, we are excited, we want to contribute, we want to do so many things, we are filled with dreams and our goals and how we can contribute towards the success of the organization. So you need to keep that fire alive inside you. Treat your every day as first day at your job. That will inspire you, that will motivate you to become better at what you are doing, whatever job is given to you. Now let us take one example and see how success will come behind you if you focus on excellence. Let us assume that you are a digital marketer and you have joined a company and you are working as a digital marketer. You help clients achieve their goals to reaching out to people through digital marketing. Now, you have certain basic knowledge about digital marketing and you are using that skills to help the client. Now you start asking, how can I better this? What more should I do so that I can give the same result in less budget? Or what should I do so that I can maximize the budget of the client and help them achieve their goal? Ask this how. Take that small step. Move one step ahead. Every day you lay one brick at a time, experimenting with what you are doing, experimenting with the way you work, and you slowly and steadily you will find that you have become innovative. And it happens that initially you might face failure. You ask how, you get an answer, you do it, you fail. Then you understand, no, this is not the right way, maybe I should have done this. Again you do that, again you might fail. Third time you might get little success. Fourth time you will get little more success. Again you might fail, then again success. So this process continues and a day will come when you become wise. Whatever you do, it clicks. So once that happens, you become valuable in the market. And once you become valuable in the market, your demand rises. And your clients come behind you to hire you, to make use of your services. And with them, they bring success. So once you start handling those clients, using your excellence in that particular field, success slowly and steadily starts coming towards you. Success can be in the form of money. Here you might say that it's not always that success is equal to money. You may be right, but why I am equating success with money right now here is that money is easy to count. You can measure it. So You will get success in terms of money. People will be willing to pay you high price for your services, or people might more and more people might come to join you or to make use of your services, and you will start growing in life. So today's lesson, basically I can say, is that don't run behind success. Instead, instead run behind excellence. Focus on excellence. How can I become excellent at what I'm doing? What skills should I develop that will make me excellent in this job? What else should I practice? Get creative. Keep on asking this question: how, what should I do? How should I do it? How can I make it better? How can I become excellent? Keep on asking this, and one day you will become excellent. And it's a continuous process. You cannot reach that excellence and then stop and say, okay, now I have reached a position where I'm excellent at this particular job. Now I need not move ahead. That day, your downfall will start. Excellence is way of living. You can develop excellence in all aspects of your life, not only professional. In your personal life also, you can develop excellence. Your excellence can be related to your health, related to your diet, related to how you spend your leisure time. So once you achieve excellence in one field, you may start using the same excellence in different fields. You may want to become excellent at other things also. So it's a continuous process that we need to follow till the time we are on this planet Earth. So excellence is a way of living. It's a lifestyle that we need to develop.